Hello, this is Nick with Nick's Computer Fix, and here's a video on the Dudao Power Bank 10000 mAh, model number K31, unboxing and review. By the way, be sure to click on that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated. Okay, let's go ahead and quickly unbox this. First, let's take a quick look at outside of the box here, and on the back here, it does say 22.5 watts fast charging, built-in retractable charging cable, and then on the front it does say 10000 mAh, and that's about as interesting as the outside of the box is. So we'll go ahead and open this up and pull the packaging carton from inside, pull it out, and as you can see, it's well wrapped in some plastic to protect the finish of the power bank. And we'll take a look at here what we got. We got instruction manual. I don't know if you really need an instruction manual with a power bank, but they provided one. And then we have a cable that they supplied, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and we can use that if we need to, but as it said on the outside of the box, this has a retractable cable, so we'll take a look at that, see if that's going to be usable and functional. And the outside of the case here is very nice. It's nicely finished. It has a fill of high quality. And like I said, it's a very nice finish, and it also says 22.5 watts on the outside. And then on the side, we have a power button or battery check, and we have a USB-C port, and then we have a dango connection there, and then there's the retractable cable, and if we pull it out, it does seem to function good, and then it retracts when you like double pull on it and it goes back in. I think that's going to be very convenient, and we'll go ahead and push the power check or the battery check button, and it comes up and says it's charged at 62%. So it's not completely charged out of the box, but it is charged relatively enough to provide a one-time charge on a phone. And let's go ahead and grab my USB-C cable, and we'll put it or plug it in on the side, and we'll plug that right into my iPhone 5, and you can see it's 75% charging, and it is looking good. So the cable, the retractable cable, is not necessary. We can also use a cable of our choice and plug it into the USB-C port on the side. Now we can also charge the power bank with the USB-C cable that we plug in on the side port, and it is charging. And the lightning bolt, by the way, the green lightning bolt says it's charging at a fast charge. And also when you're charging your iPhone or your Android phone, it will also give you a lightning bolt icon there that tells you that it is in fast charging mode. All right, and there we go, 61%, and it's moving right along from 61% to 62 to 63 to 64%. Of course, I speed this up a little bit, but it is charging relatively fast, and I like that. All right, let's go ahead and see what else we can do with this. But first, let's take a closer look at the case itself. It is relatively well made, and it does have some writing on the back. It tells you the model number and where it was made and the brand name Dudao. And then on the side again, we have a battery check button and USB-C port and the dongo connection and the retractable cable. And what's important about this retractable cable is that it really works well to recharge your phone right up quickly and without having to go and locate a separate cable. And let's go ahead and give this retractable cable a try on my iPhone 15. And as you can see, I'm presently at 75% charge. So it can charge up some more here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this retractable cable out and plug it right into the USB-C port on my iPhone 15. And as you can see, it is blinking and I am charging. As you can see, it's in charge mode now. And also on the power bank, there's a green lightning icon that says it's charging my iPhone utilizing the 22.5 watts fast mode, or the fast charging mode. And that's good. I like that. And that's how that works. It works very well, and I have no complaints. I believe I will like this charging power bank very much. It seems to work very well, and I like it. So I do highly recommend it. And one thing I would like to mention is that the weight of this unit is not too bad. It feels relatively light in the hand, and it has a nice finish on the case like I mentioned. All right, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click on that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated.